Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Google Antigravity CLI on Linux operating system such as Red Hat, Fedora, SU, SC. For this one in Google search box write there Antigravity, then go on this Antigravity Google site. Click this. After here you need to go on this product, then you can get there Antigravity CLI. So let's click this. Now click on this install. Then here Mac OS Linux you can try this command, Windows PowerShell you can try this, and here this is for CMD. So Linux that I'm using, so that copying this and thereafter open the terminal and this here let's increase the size little bit. Now thereafter paste this command and press enter. So detecting the system environment, platform detected Linux MD4 and latest version is now 1. Downloading the release package. Now here you can see this install or download gives second of tabs. So the anti-gravity installed successfully and here successfully updated a share profile and path. This also done there. Thereafter simply let's use the clear command. If I write here, so if I write this command curl, then here you can get this AGY. So let's use the clear command here. If I write AGY minus minus version, then you can see 100 that install. Now thereafter simply write there AGY. Then you can get this anti-gravity CLI. First option that selected, press enter. So here Firefox that's open there. So this here Firefox. Now this let's click this account. Now copy this code. Thereafter here this is now AGY. Simply here you can see. So you need to press the button down button. PG down DN button is there. Press this. Now authentication code you need to paste there. Now thereafter simply you need to press enter and wait for few seconds. This is now sign in. So here you can select the themes. Let's use the light and this here selected. Okay, 1 second, minimize so some space. Now you can see this that's come there. Here you need to go on this. This is check and here click on this done. Select the done and thereafter press enter and now anti-gravity CLI 1 that's come there.